Today, let's take a look at a common problem and a simple fix for resilient seated butterfly valves, especially if there's any solid particles that can build up in the bottom of the pipeline. In a horizontal pipeline, butterfly valves are often mounted with their lever handle, gear-operated hand wheel, or actuator, something like this. However, in this configuration, if particles precipitate out of the liquid solution, they will accumulate around the bottom seal. With this accumulation comes the potential for the solids to be ground into the seat, resulting in a premature seat failure. A commonly employed solution is to rotate the valve so that the shaft is at the 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock orientation. With this type of orientation, any particulate would not be accumulating at the sealing point. This arrangement is considered perfectly acceptable with any resilient seated butterfly valve, even ones with pneumatic and electric actuators. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or email. Thanks for watching.